Welcome back, y'all, to another edition of We Smokin. Just got the got the deck shoveled off. Oh, shoveled off. My face is frozen. I've been outside for 10 seconds. Just got the deck shoveled off. Got the cover taken off the smoker. Got it going. We're gonna actually do some burgers tonight, so it'll be a little different than regular. But we're gonna do 4 80-20 beef patty burgers. So we're gonna go get them prepped and get them thrown on the smoker. What are we gonna put on burgers today?
A little Lowry's.
Okay.
A little garlic.
Okay.
And maybe some pepper. I think that'll be good. Yeah.
So, what do you want to put on the burgers?
What are we putting on? This. Okay. And this one too? Yeah. Let's. Sophia, pick this. You want to pick one out?
Sure. This?
Yeah, let's put that on Mom's.
Ooh, spicy. Why not? Let's give it a try.
Like original.
Alright, burger patties are all ready to go, seasoned up. The trick is put a little indent, put a little water in it, especially on the smoker. It'll help keep them. I'm gonna say it, I'm not gonna say it. The M word. I'm not gonna say it, but they'll keep them MOIST. Gross even spelling it. Bad boy's roasted. All right, she's set at 450. All right, burgers are on. Set at 450. We're gonna go about 7 minutes aside. Then we're going to, then we're gonna flip them. See how they turn on. I've never smoked burgers on a smoker before. Heard good things, but I've never done them, so should be interesting. But see how they turn out. Okay, for people who maybe don't quite understand how cold it actually is here in Minnesota today. It's -6, and the feel-like temperature right now is -24. -24. Actual air temp -6. And we're smoking burgers. Time to throw a little ches on, and then flip them, and then hopefully they turn out good. Smell good. Guess what time it is? Meat time. I'm gonna pull these bad boys out. Ooh, yum. I did 3 of them with cheese, 1 with no cheese, so we could really get the flavor of the burgers. So, show you what they look like. We're gonna get these in, get them on some buns, get our veggies and pasta with it. So, thanks for tuning into this episode of We Smokin. Be sure to hit that little subscribe button so you don't miss our next, well, it'll probably be in a couple days because it's supposed to be even colder than it is today, believe it or not. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next We Smokin. So I'll drop the recipe down below like I always do. And with that one, we'll catch you on the next video. Bye!